Hello traders everywhere, Jeremy Lutz coming to you from the digital studios of Market Club. And the Dow, S&P 500, Nasdaq are all lower on the day and ending the week lower after the 10-year yield rose quickly this week to 2.84%, which is a 4-year high. This will be the first weekly loss of 2018 and the largest weekly loss in over a year. And do you think that's a sign of things to come in February? Well, only time will tell, but it's definitely putting a hurting on some people today. But we'll take a look and we'll start with the S&P 500, currently trading at 2,791.67, down 2.83% on the week with a chart analysis score plus 55, indicating that we are heading to a sidelines position as momentum builds to the downside. Key level to watch is 2,768.64. If we get below that level, we will issue a red weekly trade triangle indicating a move to a sidelines position. So keep an eye on that level as we head lower into the afternoon. Dow Jones currently trading at 25,829.52, down 3% on the week and heading lower on the day. Chart analysis score currently plus 55, like the S&P 500, indicating that we are bridging the gap on a sidelines position. So key level to watch should be 25,702.99. A move below that level would issue a red weekly trade triangle indicating a move to a sidelines position. Nasdaq currently trading at 7,308.70, down 2.5% on the week. Chart analysis scores a little better on the Nasdaq at plus 75, but we are heading lower on the day. And again, this is the first weekly loss for the week in 2018. Key level to watch moved up to 7,205.93. A move below that level would issue a red weekly trade triangle indicating a move to a sidelines position. Dollar index actually bouncing back a little bit, eking out a gain of almost 0.2%, currently trading at 89.09. Key level to watch for the dollar index will be 90.76. A move above that level would issue a green weekly trade triangle indicating a move to a sidelines position for the US dollar as it gains a little bit of strength on rising interest rates. The gold currently trading at 1,333.10, down 1.73% on the week. And in fact, we'll go to a daily chart here and we'll see we're at a chart analysis score plus 55. We actually did issue a new green daily trade triangle today at 1352.50 as it headed higher. However, since then, as the market's come under pressure, gold has retreated down to 1,333.10, down 1% on the day, with giving it a chart analysis score plus 55. Key level to watch for gold will be today's low at 1330.10, which would issue a red daily trade triangle indicating a move back to a sidelines position for gold. It's really hard to trade on a daily level with volatile conditions like this. A lot of times as with stocks, we recommend not using the daily trade triangles, as you can see the extreme volatility right here. Moving along to crude oil, much the same thing as gold. It bounced up and hit a high of 66.30, issuing a new green daily trade triangle, but has since backed down off of that to 64.74, down about 1.5% on the day. However, we're still in a long position. Key level to watch is 63.67. A move below that level would issue a red daily trade triangle indicating a move to a sidelines position for crude oil. And we'll go ahead and take a look at Alibaba, which is currently trading at 189.44, getting just absolutely hammered after their earnings, which we'll take a look at in the early part of next week. Chart analysis score plus 55, indicating that it is coming under pressure and heading towards a sidelines position. Key level to watch would be 179.32. A move below that level would issue a red weekly trade triangle indicating a move to a sidelines position for Alibaba. Back out of here and we'll go take a look at Bitcoin, which is actually a bit of a rise today, up like 1.32%. However, it is trading below 9,000 at 8,967.61 after crossing through that threshold yesterday. Chart analysis score remains negative 60, indicating that a sidelines position is required for the Bitcoin at the present time. Key level to watch would be 14,166.28. A move above that level would issue a red or a green weekly trade triangle indicating a move to a long position for Bitcoin. With that, every success. Have a great weekend. Hopefully the markets will bounce back a little bit as we head into next week. and I will talk to you later.